Mortgage Minute today brought to you by our friends at Geneva Financial when you're ready for that next home loan. Geneva's got the programs and the products. You just need to make the call. It's 800 306 1990. 800 306 1990. Let's see what the markets are doing. And again, if you're watching us on RonSiegelRadio.tv or any of our socials, we record in the morning. Go to StreamYard.com/Facebook, and you can interact with us. They'll let you tell them that you want them to know who you want us to know who they are. Dow Jones now up 224 points. NASDAQ is up 134 points. S&P 500 up 44 points. 10-year Treasuries up 1 basis point. Mortgage-backed securities giving back a little bit of what we gained yesterday, 17 basis points. But what does that mean when you're looking at an interest rate you can actually get? Because you know as well as I do that a lot of the advertising, a lot of the numbers that we see from various institutions, yes, they're accurate numbers, but they're not numbers that you can actually get anywhere. How do you get those numbers? Because they're dealing, and I just heard this morning. I haven't seen what the mortgage market survey is yet for today. I should look that up, and I will while I'm talking to you. But here's the issue: is the Freddie Mac, as I tell you all the time, comes up with their mortgage market survey every Thursday morning, and they report that to us. They tell us what interest rates are doing from their market survey. They do their market survey Monday through Wednesday of the current week. And then they report it to us on the Thursday morning, 7 a.m. That's how their schedule works. They report it Thursday morning, 7 a.m. every single week. So today they came out and said 4.42 is the interest rate of a 30-year fixed rate loan from their survey. Now, you know, if you're listening to Ron Siegel Radio on a regular basis, and you should be, that we actually tell you what loans locked at. So yes, Freddie Mac says 4.42, but yesterday loans actually locked at 4.61 was the 30-year interest rate. 4.61 is what loans actually locked at yesterday on that 30-year conforming loan. 15-year loans, they locked yesterday at 3.74. 30-year jumbos, 4.369, and 30-year FHA, 4.671. Now, that's not me giving you a rate of what you can borrow at, because I don't know your situation. All I'm giving you is from the largest source, or the most I shouldn't say largest. I'm going to give it exactly as they put it. Most comprehensive, accurate, timely, and interactive analysis of pricing ever conducted in the mortgage industry, calculated from actual locked rates with consumers across 35% of all mortgage transactions nationwide. So that's what 35% of all transactions nationwide go through this system. And they give us these numbers every single day so that we can share those with you. Just a bit of, now, if you knew where to get it, you can get all that data. But the question that I ask you is, why? Why is it happening? Well, here's the reason. Durable good orders, which reflects new orders placed with domestic manufacturers for delivery of factory hard goods, was released for the month of February. New orders decreased by 2.2%, which was worse than expectations of a 0.5% loss. Take out transportation, that decreased by 0.6%, which was worse than estimated of 0.5% gain. And core capital goods decreased by 0.3%, coming in below expectations of a 0.4%. Initial jobless claims measures individuals filing unemployment benefits for the very first time was reported at 187,000 claims for last week. This represents a decrease of 28,000 from the previous revised report of 215,000 claims. It was below expectations of 212,000. Lowest number reported for initial claims since the summer of 1969. No, I am not going to sing the song for you. Thankfully, I'm sure there's a lot of people celebrating that I'm not going to sing that, but the lowest report since the summer of 1969. Continuing claims, those that continue to receive benefits after their initial claim decreased 67,000 to 1.35 million. What else do we have? What else can I see that's going on in all these different numbers? So we got a slide for that initial jobless claims. I think we'll share that one for you as well. Here's another one. Now, we've talked about this a little bit. KB Home, U.S. home builder, reported first quarter earnings yesterday, and their CEO said, quote, "Our biggest challenge today is completing homes, not selling them, as demand continues to be robust," unquote. They missed delivery figures because of ongoing major supply constraints. They cited flexible ductwork, stainless steel, double ovens, garage doors, windows, cabinets, and HVAC equipment, to name a few of the reasons they cannot deliver homes. This coincides with yesterday's new home sales report and the availability of inventory. 91% of homes they're citing as inventory are not started or under construction. Big takeaway from the KB Homes earnings call was that demand remains robust, even in the face of higher interest rates. So people out there still want the homes. And I just looked at a report. Josh and I were just looking at this before we went live this morning. In the zip code of 92807, average days on the market. This one is what really got me. Now, I don't know if you follow these things. From the time a home is listed until the time it goes into contract is what they call days on the market. (92807), the number is 3. That's just staggering to me. I just looked at the real-time market profile. Again, 92807, $1,094,000 median list price. New median price of new listings, $1,075,000. Price per square foot, $526 a square foot. Days, average days on market is 3. Prices decreased and not at all. Prices increased. Inventory, that's another good one. Single family homes, 18 homes for sale. And the median rent, 92807, $3,600. Just amazing when you look at some of these different statistics of what's going on in the marketplace right now. If you want to report for your zip code, just give us a message. I think all we have so far on our availability, all we've got the data for right now is for Orange County. We're getting Riverside. We'll get that added probably later today. But give us your zip code, rj@ronsiegelradio.com, rj@ronsiegelradio.com, and we'll send you a full report for your area. All you have to do is let us know what you're looking for in that arena. So it's some good information. And who uses that information? Well, if you're thinking about buying a house, well, you might want to know that, because if you're thinking about making a lowball offer and you see that the average days on market is 3, yeah, lowball offers probably aren't going to cut it right now when there's only 18 homes for sale. You look at the number of homes for sale. Here's the issue. Days on market where we're seeing that 3 are all in homes priced at $1.8 million or more. Anything under $1.8 million, it's just a matter that they go on the market and they're sold immediately. Think about that. So don't go out there with trying a lowball offer. It's not going to work in this environment. I'm just throwing that out there, share that with you right now. You could try it, but you're not going to get anywhere, and you're going to build your own frustration. That's the whole issue right there, is you're going to get really frustrated because you're going to go out there, you're going to make the offer, and not going to get accepted. Just throw that out there. You're listening to Ron Siegel Radio, discussing your real estate current events and the financial markets.